Proton VPN has a feature called Accelerator that claims to improve your connection speeds by up to 400%. That number is technically real, but it only applies in one very specific scenario, and most people who are excited about it are about to be disappointed. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and in today's video, we're getting into Proton VPN's Accelerator feature, what it actually is, whether it makes a real difference for everyday browsing, and how to make sure it's properly enabled on your account, and the one protocol you should pair it with for the best possible results. Let's get into it. So let's start with what's actually happening underneath the hood. So VPN Accelerator is a proprietary performance optimization system built into Proton VPN. It uses advanced congestion control techniques and protocol enhancements to increase the throughput of your connection. In simple terms, it targets specific technical bottlenecks in the path between your device and the VPN server. Congestion in network handoffs, inefficiencies in how protocols scale, and the latency that accumulates over long geographic distances. All the stuff that normally slows your VPN down compared to your unprotected connection. The feature works at both the server level and inside the Proton VPN app, alongside whichever protocol that you're using. And there's one really important update that you should also know about. So VPN Accelerator now detects changes in your network conditions automatically and reconfigures itself to maintain optimal performance without you having to do anything. If your connection changes, your signal quality drops, or your network switches from Wi-Fi to cellular. Accelerator adjusts on its own. Now let's talk about the 400% number because this is where a lot of people can get confused. So the 400% improvement figure applies to the scenario where Accelerator has the maximum possible impact. A slow or congested connection over a long distance server route where multiple bottlenecks are compounding on top of each other. If your connection to a server on another continent is running 10 megabits per second because of congestion and Accelerator brings it up to 50 megabits per second, that's a 400% improvement on the bottleneck connection. The math checks out, it's just not what most people will experience. Independent testing across a range of connection scenarios shows average real-world improvements of around 45%. Individual results vary significantly based on your base connection quality and the distance to the server that you're using. On fast broadband connecting to nearby servers, improvements of 1 to 3% are also common. That's because the bottlenecks Accelerator targets were already minimal on that kind of connection. On long distant routes or mobile connections with variable signal, the gains are much more pronounced. The honest expectation is this: there's meaningful improvement on slow or distant connections, smaller but still positive improvements on fast nearby ones, and either way, there's no scenario where having Accelerator on hurts your connection, so the answer is to always have it on. The question is just how much benefit you'll actually see. Okay, here's how to check that Accelerator is enabled. So VPN Accelerator is supposed to be on by default, but a lot of users have reported that it wasn't actually active after installation, so I'd recommend verifying it manually rather than actually assuming. All you have to do is go to Connection or Advanced Settings, find the VPN Accelerator toggle, and confirm that it's on. Once you enable it, the changes will take effect immediately on your existing connection. You don't need to disconnect and reconnect for it to start working. So here's the best protocol to pair Accelerator with. So it works with every Proton VPN protocol, but it definitely pairs best with WireGuard. WireGuard is Proton's fastest protocol overall. So when you combine WireGuard with VPN Accelerator, you're stacking Proton's fastest protocol with its performance optimization layer on top. And that's the recommended pairing for everyday browsing, streaming, and really anything where speed is the priority. Again, to set WireGuard as your protocol, you'll want to go to the Proton VPN app, go to Settings, and then Protocol, and then you want to select WireGuard. I would recommend using this as your default unless you're on a network that specifically blocks WireGuard, in which case you can fall back to OpenVPN or Proton's Stealth protocol. Now here's when Accelerator actually makes a noticeable difference. So connecting to servers in distant countries is one. If you're in the US connecting to a server in Tokyo or Sydney, Accelerator is doing heavy lifting on that route, using Proton VPN on mobile connections with variable signal quality, where your connection conditions are constantly shifting. Also connecting during high traffic periods when VPN server capacity is under load, and using a connection where your ISP itself has baseline congestion issues. For streaming geo-restricted content from a server on another continent, Accelerator can genuinely be the difference between buffering every 30 seconds and smooth playback. For mobile users with fluctuating signal, the automatic network detection update means Accelerator is now actively managing your performance as conditions changes in real time. For everyday browsing on fast broadband to nearby servers, Accelerator is still working in the background, but you may not notice the improvement because the connection was already fast. So in that case, the feature is just reducing the VPN overhead rather than boosting you above your base internet speed. The result is a VPN experience that feels closer to your unprotected connection than it would without Accelerator active. Okay, now let's go through the pros and cons to help you further decide. So VPN Accelerator's genuine advantage is just making Proton VPN's performance noticeably better in the exact scenarios where VPNs normally struggle the most. So long distance routes, congested networks, and mobile connections with variable signal quality. The automatic network condition detection added in 2025 just makes the whole thing maintenance free once you've configured it. And there's no real downside to having it on. It either improves your connection or it has no measurable effect. It never makes things worse though. The biggest limitation is expectation, right? The 400% headline number creates unrealistic expectations for users on fast nearby connections where the actual improvement is measured in single-digit percentages. But again, the feature is genuinely real and worth enabling. You just want an accurate picture of what it actually delivers for your specific setup so you're not disappointed when your home Wi-Fi connection to a 2 server states over only gets a 2% faster boost. Okay, now let's go ahead and talk about the different plans and pricing options. So if you want to click our link down in the description below, I'll just go ahead and click get the deal. You can save 70% off with our link. So you can get signed up with the 2-year, the 1-year, or the 1 month. VPN Accelerator is in each of them, so it doesn't matter which plan you select. And you even get a 30-day money back guaranteed on each of these, even the 1 month, which is very generous, and a lot of VPNs don't do that. So the 1 month is $9.99 per month. The 1 year is $3.99 per month, and the 2-year is $2.99 per month, saving you 70% off. But even with the 1-year plan, you can save 60% off. And the 30-day money back guarantee just really makes it a no risk, no brainer. With each of these plans, you get the highest VPN speed, split tunneling, custom DNS, the VPN Accelerator, double hop, ad blocker, and 20,000 plus servers across 140 plus countries. Okay, so the magic question, should you enable VPN Accelerator? The answer is yes, always yes. There really is no downside, and it's already included in your existing Proton VPN subscription anyways, so check that it's enabled in your settings right now, set your protocol to WireGuard, and just let it run in the background. VPN Accelerator is not going to make a slow internet connection fast. Nothing can do that, but it will make your VPN protected connection as fast as it possibly can be for your current server and network conditions. And for a lot of people, that's the difference between a VPN that gets used and one that gets uninstalled because it's slowed everything down. If you want to go ahead and get started with Proton VPN, our link is down below and you can save up to 70% off with that link. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you stay safe online with clear and honest explanations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.